Humans are going to Mars soon, whether you like it or not. NASA and SpaceX are working tirelessly to make it happen between the late 2020s and early 2030s. You are about to find out how humans will make it to Mars in less than 10 years from now. In the late 2020s, elite robotic missions will be sent to Mars to lay the groundwork for human arrival. SpaceX aims to send several uncrewed Starship missions carrying cargo and habitat modules toward Mars around 2028 to 2029, delivering surface infrastructure, power systems, and supplies to potential landing zones. These missions will be crucial for in-situ resource utilization, or ISRU, systems, technologies that convert Martian water and atmosphere into fuel, oxygen, and construction materials for future settlers. Realistically, Musk's updated targets suggest the first human landing could be attempted between 2029 and 2031, depending on Starship's launch success and readiness. Meanwhile, major robotic science missions continue. The Rosalind Franklin rover, Europe's next Mars lander, targets a launch in 2028 for arrival by 2030 to drill and sample ancient rocks. Chinese and Russian space agencies are also preparing Mars sample return missions, enhancing global scientific collaboration long before humans touch down. Imagine mission control buzzing with nervous excitement as starships carry the first habitat pods and solar arrays across interplanetary space. Teams on Earth watch telemetry and prepare for the most complex landing sequence humans have ever attempted. Once the groundwork is set, the next step will be to make the actual Mars landing happen. The first crewed mission to Mars may likely happen in mid-2031. The first set of astronauts will be launched to Mars in 2030. After a transit of around 7 to 9 months, the first crewed mission arrives at Mars in mid-2031. The team of astronauts for this first mission will be an international team, combining NASA, SpaceX, ESA, and possibly CNSA. They will head for touchdown on the dusty plains of Arcadia Planitia, or Utopia Planitia. This first crew includes scientists, engineers, and medical officers trained to operate in deep space and the harsh Martian environment. Their mission goal will include establishing a temporary base camp, unpacking habitats and life support systems delivered earlier, drilling for ice, and testing ISRU systems to make water, oxygen, and methane fuel, and perform critical geological surveys and collect first-hand soil and rock samples. This moment rivals Apollo 11 in historic impact. Media on Earth screens broadcast the first steps on Mars, and social media explodes with reactions from millions around the world. Following the triumphant landing, the immediate task is survival and efficiency. The team will work together to accomplish all their mission goals. In 2032, the crew expands the base using robotics and autonomous construction units. Solar arrays and small nuclear reactors provide power. ISRU units begin splitting CO2 from the Martian air into oxygen and carbon for life support and fuel. Teams set up greenhouses under reinforced domes to begin growing food. In 2033, more cargo ships arrive carrying additional modules, living quarters, labs, medical facilities, and advanced communication gear. Autonomous rovers and drones map nearby terrain and scout resources. A small weather station monitors dust storms that could last weeks. During these years, Earth-Mars communication delays, up to 22 minutes one way, challenge real-time control. Crews learn to operate autonomously, using AI assistance for decision support on health, navigation, and system diagnostics. Teams develop a rhythm, sunrise routines, communal meals in low-gravity dining halls, and the psychological toll of isolation so far from home. In 2035, the astronauts must have built the outpost to have enhanced power systems and robotics. At this point, the outpost is no longer a temporary camp, but a functioning research station. Scientists begin in-depth geological surveys of ancient riverbeds and ice deposits, searching for biosignatures of past life, a discovery that could redefine biology forever. International missions converge. Robotic sample return systems that have been collecting Martian rocks finally send back curated samples to Earth for the first time around 2033, offering unparalleled scientific insight into Mars's past. Between 2036 and 2037, redundant life support systems and improved water extraction processes make longer stays routine. Families of scientists begin contemplating travel for long-term assignment rotations. Earth governments and commercial partners negotiate Mars treaties outlining planetary protection, resource rights, and interplanetary law. Between 2038 and 2039, astronauts on Mars will be approaching becoming an advanced, highly sustainable society. The red planet transitions will move from exploration zone to sustainable human habitat. In 2038, Mars will experience energy systems diversifying. Nuclear microreactors and solar farms provide robust power. Habitat expansion continues. Greenhouse agriculture feeds a growing population without complete reliance on Earth's supplies. In 2039, Mars now hosts a community, not just a research station. Its residents include scientists, engineers, technicians, and their families. Local production of oxygen, water, and fuel significantly reduces dependence on Earth shipments. Plans begin for the first Martian government structures and civil institutions. By decade's end, humanity stands on a new frontier. What began as scientific exploration and daring ambition has blossomed into the first enduring human expansion beyond Earth, a transformation with scientific, cultural, and philosophical ramifications. The 2030s are the decade when humans finally prove we can live on another planet, not just visit it. What starts with scientific curiosity evolves into the beginnings of a true interplanetary society. The red planet becomes a crucible where technology, human resilience, and international cooperation shape a future once imaginable only in science fiction. Do you honestly believe in this exciting future of humans on Mars? Leave your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more interesting videos like this.